guys, welcome to Shishu World. How are you all? So this lockdown has not been easy for any of us, but especially for mommies, this has been a really tough time. घर का काम, ऑफिस का काम, बच्चों का स्कूल, होमवर्क and whatnot. On top of that, little to no help. शाम होते होते तक तो I used to feel really exhausted. लेकिन क्यों? I was always wondering about this. I'm extra careful about my diet and exercise routine. I do yoga regularly, I go for walks, I have healthy homemade meals. Is it just the age and can I not do anything about this? I spoke to my friend Sakshi, who is also a nutritionist, and she told me that the major cause of energy drain is vitamin and mineral deficiency, especially once you cross the age of 35. That's no problem, I said. I have ample doodh, dahi, sabzi and fruits. And she said, pura padega kya? It is recommended that we have at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day, which rarely happens. On top of that, pollution, adulterated foods wreak havoc on our bodies. And that got me thinking, फिर आखिर कैसे पड़ेगा पूरा? It is then that she introduced me to Nutrilite Daily, which contains 13 vitamins and 11 minerals. So this is Nutrilite Daily. It also contains 12 immunity building nutrients.
It is made with natural plant concentrates. इसमें विटामिन सी और डी है और जिंक भी है which support immunity and help us fight infections. इसमें विटामिन B1, B2, मैग्नीशियम और आयरन है which support metabolism. It also has calcium which help maintain bone health. We know how bone mineral density drops in women after the age of 40 and which can even lead to osteoporosis at a later age. It also has selenium which supports thyroid function. It has biotin which helps to maintain healthy hair and skin. It does not have any artificial colors or flavors and contains no preservatives.
So who can use Nutrilite Daily? So if you're a busy adult, if you have an active life, if you're a sports person or an elderly person, and if you think your regular meals need some supplementing, then Nutrilite Daily is for you. So post coming to know all of this, I've started supplementing my regular meals with one tablet every day. So I just take this one tablet with my lunch every day. And the best part is that I already feel a lot of change in my energy levels. So I have chosen to plug the nutrition gap. What about you? When are you planning to do this? So I do hope that you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions about the product, feel free to leave any comments, and I'm going to drop the link of this product from where you can purchase this product, as well as you can find out more information about the product as well. So do check out the description box, and do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.